Hello, I'm back again. This will be excerpts 5 and 6, just because I'm going to be working on two different places. And No Time for Caution from Interstellar by Hans Zimmer. What I'm going to be working on here is the tempo, specifically the plucking the E string at parts A and B. I'm going to make those two combine into one just excerpt. I'm not that lazy. The other part, which will be at the other end of this video, will be the playing the I'm honestly torn between doing 45 to 50. So this will be part 1, or excerpt 5, which will be all of letter A, all of letter B combined into one thing, just working on the just the tempo, not rushing, at the 68 BPM. I think that's how, we don't really speed up that much. But yes, that'll be at 68 BPM. But second part of the video, I will make this very clear. When we go there, I will do 45 to the end of 50, working on the slurs, playing the accidentals correctly, and that, like, there's one or two kind of string switches in the middle that are they're getting foggy, and I don't like that. So we'll be going down, I look stupid while doing this, to 68 BPM, 2, 3, 4, okay. And we will start at the last two notes of measure 14, just because those are rests and I want to be able to count myself in. 2, 3. So that was A. I think I counted wrong. I think I played either two less, like a couple less, or a couple more than what is on the page. There's only 9 notes for this excerpt, and I'm really mad at myself for that, so I'm going to do it one more time. Bow in hand this time, just because, I'm going to have it in my hand in the actual performance. 1, 2. And now I'm going to do just like a couple seconds of rest, and we're going to do the rest of B. I'm going to try to make it a little bit louder this time, just because it's a different, it is like just a different volume, sorry. 1, 2. So I'm going to work on it not like immediately snapping back, like I'm going to let it ring out a little bit more. So I'll do that. This will be the last part of excerpt 5, and then we'll go on to 6. 1. So this is letter A, 15 through, so something like, it's like 15 through 18, and then we'll do B, which is like 39 to 43. But I'm gonna again combine them into one thing. Anyway. That was letter A. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Letter B. Okay, that was excerpt 5. Now this is excerpt 6. Excerpt 6 with the da 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 da. I don't know. Anyway, I said a whole lot of nothing, sorry. Anyway, this is excerpt 6. This will be 45 to the end of 50. Hope you enjoy. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and So there were a couple notes in there towards the beginning. I wasn't as good as I could have been. We're going to make it a little different. We're going to go 44 to 50, just so I can get the plucking in and work on getting like to and fro fast, I guess, or efficient, I should say. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and. I messed it up. I was thinking I took too long going from 44 to 45 with that little eighth note rest. One more time. Last time, I swear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Other than that last little note, I'm going to redo it because of it, but that was pretty good. Other than the, again, for going from 44 to 45, I just like slam it down here. It's weird. I'm going to try it. I'm going to do it better. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Again, I think there's one little note, but I think I've done it enough times to get it down. So I'm going to do it one more time because I'm not lazy. I'm just going to restart. I'm just restarting now. Thank you. That was excerpts 5 and 6. No Time for Caution from Interstellar by Hans Zimmer. Brought to you by Hank Long.